Hello, hello, hello. How are you guys? So today I have a frozen chicken from the freezer. So what I'm going to do is straight to my skillet. So I'm using right now 12-inch skillet. Electric power po siya. And then, ito yung the best way if you have salad master. Kasi kung ina-avoid po ninyo, yung cholesterol, right? So everyday, kahit kumain po kayo ng chicken or fried chicken, at least guilt-free. Okay? So, ang magiging result nito is bye-bye cholesterol. Alright, so let's start. Heated our EOC for about 5 minutes. So let's check. You can pinch a little bit water. So makikita po ninyo yung water is nagda-dancing-dancing na. It means yan po ay ready to fry. Hindi na natin needed siya huhugasan. And ito ay napakalinis na po siya. So kung mapapansin po ninyo, mayroon siyang tissue sa loob. So yan. So, ito po, dahil frozen siya, what I'm going to do is we can cover for about 5 minutes. Okay? Para lang matuto yung ating chicken. So guys, ito, you can see it's already through yung chicken natin. Yan. So, naghihiwalay na. Pwede po natin siyang i-timer for about 20 minutes. So, ito na guys. Ayan na yung chicken natin. This is the fried chicken. Look at this. So, we start from frozen. So guys, ito yung na-extract natin na mantika. Nakikita nyo ba? Ayan. So, marami, right? Okay. So, pag ito yung kinukonsume araw-araw, so bye-bye cholesterol na. It's easy. It's only for 20 minutes. Meron ka ng fried chicken. Okay? So, bye for now.